जाओ, अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना। बहा दो प्रेम की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर, हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना। हमारा कर्म हो सेवा, हमारा धर्म हो सेवा, सदा ईमान हो सेवा, वो सेवक चर बना देना। वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना, वतन पर जान फिदा करना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना।
Good evening, one and all. Welcome. Welcome to this meeting of installation of the NFR Railway State Council. I request Madam Padmini Pillai, who is the National Treasurer of Indian SGF and DGM Finance High Speed Rail Project in Surat, to give the welcome address.
Good evening, fellowship greeting to one and all. It is my pleasure and great honor to welcome you all to the virtual program for installation ceremony of North Frontier Railway State Scouts and Guide Fellowship. A special welcome to each and every one of my colleagues, counterparts, friends, members. Special welcome to Mr. B.K. Dev Mishra, retired Additional Chief Health Director, Central Hospital, NFR Malegaon. Shri H.S. Hazgong, CG NFR. Shri Chandrajit Sakya, Chairman RRB, Guwahati. Shri P.K. Kishore Babu, CPU Admin, NFR Sir. Shri Shashank Sarma, CPO Guested NFR Sir. Shri Pranav Jyoti Sharma, DGM and Secretary to GM Sir. And welcome to each and everyone to this virtual installation of State Council of NFR Railway. Here it is. Here I would like to bring that though the Khatiyar has been in operation since last 4 years, this is the first time the State Council is being nominated, and it is a crucial and it is important because this is we are celebrating the 25th anniversary of the Indian Railway Scout Guide Fellowship. This is a really great occasion that we are about to install a State Council at NFR. Welcome all, each and every one of you. Thank you.
We will have a short recognition speech by Mr. Chandrasekhar Pandit, State Secretary, NFR, State SGF, and Senior Personnel Officer, Recruitment of Malegaon.
Good evening, all of you. As a committee regarding Scout Guide Fellowship of NF Railway State has been formed, and I read out the names of all the committee members, office bearers. Advisor Dr. B.K. Dev Mishra, retired additional CHD, Central Hospital, NF Railway, Malegaon. Shri S. Hajong, CEGE, NF Railway, Malegaon. Dr. Mrs. Prabha Bordoloi, retired additional CHD, Central Hospital, NF Railway, Malegaon. Shri S.B. Datta, retired ADME, NF Railway. All the 4 persons are nominated as advisor. President is our Shri Chandrajit Soikia, Chairman RRB Guwahati, and State Chief Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guide NF Railway. Vice President Shri Kishore Babu, CPO Administration NF Railway. Vice President, there are 3 Vice Presidents. Second, Shri Shashank Sharma, Chief Personnel Officer, Gazetted. And Shri Pranav Jyoti Sharma, DGM and Secretary to GM NF Railway. All the three are Vice President. Said State Secretary is CS Pandit, SPO Recruitment, NF Railway, Maligaon. State Treasurer Sri Amit Kumar, APO Mechanical, NF Railway, Maligaon Headquarter. Joint Secretary Sri Bipul Bora, Accounts Assistant, NF Railway, Maligaon. State Organizer, that come convener, Sri Khogesh Das, Chief Office Superintendent, Scout Cell, PCPO, NF Railway, come State Secretary, Associate State Organizing Commissioner, NF Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guide. This is the committee, Madam.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pandit, for giving us those names. And I welcome each and every State Council member and hope that everything else will be going smoothly from now onwards. And now we ask Mr. Khogesh Das to kindly do the installation.
सभी को नमस्ते। आज इस स्थापित समारोह पे इंस्टॉलेशन सेरेमनी पे सभी को मैंने जो स्कार्फ हमारा परंपरा है वो परंपरा हिसाब से सभी को स्कार्फ पहनना जरूरी था, लेकिन ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन असम में खासकर से गुवाहाटी में सैटरडे एंड संडे जैसे कर्फ्यू जैसा है, तो हम लोग ने ये जो स्कार्फ पहनने का जो हम लोग ये परवाह हम लोग नहीं कर पाया। तो मैं जितना हम लोग का स्टेट बॉडी को चुना गया है, ऑलरेडी पंडित सर ने बोला है, मैं दोबारा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन सभी को इस जो इंस्टॉलेशन सेरेमनी में सभी से बधाई हो। और मैं चाहता हूँ ये प्रोग्राम आगे ले जाने के लिए डायना मैम को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, क्योंकि मैम ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन सैटरडे संडे गुवाहाटी में नॉट गुवाहाटी असम का कुछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट छोड़ के तो सैटरडे संडे कर्फ्यू जैसा है, तो इंस्टॉलेशन जो है वो स्टाफ पैन के एक जो परंपरा वो नहीं कर पाया। देन प्लीज।
First of all, my scout greetings to one and all. I know many of the faces. I just feel happy, delighted to be with the NF Railway team. I saw many faces from the Bharat Scouts and Guides, and I also know many advisors, especially Dr. Mishra, Mr. Hajang, and others. I send my greetings from Bangalore, India. It gives a pleasure that even though there is a pandemic problems all over, we have come together for a cause. Everywhere there is an issues, there is a fear, there is something like a confused life. We don't know what to do and what not to do. But the speciality is we are back to our families, we are back to our homes. We are spending our maximum time with the family and try to be more healthy, try to be more active, and try to do many good things. NF Railway saw many of your activities. I congratulate you. Just to begin with, before I congratulate to Mr. Saikia and the others for the installation, I would like to go through the fundamentals of the fellowship. My dear friends, this is a very shortest next one. This is an adult organization, means Scout Guide jo adults hain, but this is only for them. We are spread all over the world. At present, we are around 81 countries as an independent organization, and many countries we are working under the part of NSOs. Next, please. It is open to all the former members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides or the present serving members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, as well as the non-Scouts and Guides in their life. For them, it's open. Next. We have a simple points just to say the spirit, the former Scouts and Guides who want to continue scouting guiding, it's an opportunity for fellowship. If you are never a Scout and Guide in your life, this is an opportunity for you to come and enjoy the scouting guiding spirit through fellowship. And if you have dreamed to serve the society wherever you are, fellowship is an opportunity. Next, please. Our aims are quite simple: to keep the spirit of Scout Guide promise law in our lives, to live the lives with the fundamentals. This is our one aim. The second is to serve the communities wherever we are existing through our fundamental spirit. Then, while remembering our responsibility being a citizen of every country or the locality or the international, just helping to support scouting guiding at every level. Next. In India, we have a multi-purpose activities because India is having such a big area. Everybody knows about in the world. You people know very well because Northeast has a different geographical condition. Assam has a different, Meghalaya changes, Tripura goes other way. So all the Northeast belongs to a different geographical futures. Fellowship provides multiple options. We don't have a setup of strict guidelines. The options opens to you. NF Railway can decide what they want to do, how they want to do. Next, please. You can see much more during usually for the earthquakes or the tsunamis when the natural disasters take place. Fellowship steps in quickly. Nepal earthquake, within 2 hours we reached. We could able to take care of the 500 families. Uttarakhand, we did it. So every time we try to do maximum larger services as well as a smaller good turns for the natural disasters. But still we keep on doing our services. Next, please. This is a circular of the 2015 when the Bharat Scouts and Guides agreed for the dual membership. The present there is a confusion going on all around. This is the principally accepted by the Indian Fellowship for the dual membership. Any member of the Bharat Scouts and Guides can be member of the Fellowship who are adults. We never treat below 25 as our member. Next, please. This is the Railway Board approval. Around 15 years back, the Railway Board agreed to recognize Indian SGF as one of the part of the organizations under the umbrella of the Indian Railways. They also gave the special casual leave to the serving employees. They have also given a clarity that every Railway Jamboree Fellowship is a part of the organization. This is a Railway Board approval. Thank you. Next, please. It's a small structure. Already Mr. Pandit has announced the names of the office bearers. There will be 1 president and 3 vice presidents, secretary, treasurer, organizer, along with the 2 joint secretaries. Now we can add the advisors into one of the hierarchical area according to Mr. Saikia, then he take over of the charges as a president. Next, please. You can also have a divisional level organization after some time. The division will have 1 president, 2 vice president, 1 secretary, treasurer as the picture goes in. Next, please. This is the ground level. For example, Maligaon may not have a district. It can also have a guild. Guild is a very simple organization, just like a group, open scout guide groups. This is a guild. You can have many as members. There will be only 3 office bearers, president, secretary, and treasurer. Minimum should be 5 members. Next, please. You can just see many of the top personalities of India are our members. We call them ambassadors sometimes. This is a Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia, recently joined us. You know the Mastero. He is our one of the ambassadors. Thank you. Next. We always support the Bharat Scouts and Guides young leaders who serve the country. All over India हम identify करते हैं, हम उनको recognize करते हैं. साल में in the memory of the Swami Vivekananda, we give away youth award to every one of them who selected. You can see with our chief, patron-in-chief, president-in-chief, Justice Kalpesh Zaveri with all the awardees, with Satish R. Khannaji. Next, please. You can see another 2 ambassadors. You can see the film actor Mukesh Khanna, who is our member from past 52 years. He still continues to be our active member. The man in the blue shirt is the one hero of the Taj terrorist attack in in Bombay, when the Taj Mahal hotel was attacked. This man in the blue shirt, our member, saved more than 32 members by taking them into his own room. He's the vice president of the Taj groups that time. Now he's at another level at the higher hierarchy. So we have a members who are ready to serve the society from various platforms. Next, please. You can see the present Chief National Commissioner Khandelwalji and our National President, Chief Justice Honorable Geeta Mithal, the present Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court. She is serving even now. So sitting Supreme Court, High Court judicials are all our members and they lead us. So this is a virtual partnerships picture where you can see both the organizations together. Next, please. We also have an Asia Pacific Scout Guide Foundation where we help the young people to grow and serve. We support the young scouts and guides. We have a 7 countries committee. What you can see, this is at the international scenario, but the foundation is in India, managed by the Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship. Next, please. A simple Bharat Scouts and Guides partnership. It is already been circulated. The Bharat Scouts and Guides has accepted a member from the Indian Fellowship in the National Executive Committee. They also given a space in the National Council to invited members. Next, please. Yeah, this is the rule what I just said about. Next one. Next one. Our office exists in the same building of the Bharat Scouts and Guides on the first floor of the Lakshmi Mazumdar Bhavan in New Delhi. We also serve from the same office right from the year 1963 when the building was inaugurated. Next. We just end this presentation with the Baden-Powell word, leave this world a little better than you found it. This is usually our principles in the fellowship. This opportunity for me is, first of all, Dr. Mishra ji and Hajang ji and Saikia ji, along with my brother Khagesh ji, we are all working. We know each other from past few years. I know Dr. Mishra from very long, right from the Thailand Jamboree. Everybody knows everyone. We know the scouting, we do scouting. This is the 25th year of Indian Railway SGF, as Madam Padmini already told us. So NF Railway welcomes into the fold today. Colonel Pagar Sahab is watching us. He is the one of our basic supporter for the Indian Railway SGF. Pagar Sahab has served maximum in NF Railway. He always says, NF Railway is my second home railway. So it's a pleasure today that NF Railway team is joining our national team of NF. Already Saikia Sahab is our president at national level for the Railway SGF. It is a pleasure. Thank you, Dana ma'am. Back to you.
Thank you, Miki sir. And I hope that you all enjoyed that short video and that short presentation, which shows us everything about Indian SGF. And now to move on, Mr. Khagesh, can I request you to ask all the office bearers to reaffirm their promise, please?
Can everybody put on their scout sign? Please, everybody, wherever you are, just reaffirm. Repeat after me. On my honor.
On my honor.
I promise.
I promise.
I promise
That I will do my best.
and I will do my best
To do my duty to God and my country.
Do my duty.
my duty to God and my country.
And to help
and to help
other people
other people
and to obey
and to obey
Scout Guide law.
guide law.
Thank you.
Thank you all. So with that reaffirmation, we request Mrs. Saikia, the first the president of the NF Railway, just installed, to please give us a short address.
Thank you, Madam. Good evening, everybody. Those from the National Council led by of Indian Scout Guide Fellowship in NFR and also in Bharat Scouts and Guides who have joined today. At the very outset, I must apologize for making you all wait for many Zoom webinars. Somehow there was some problem, my net was unstable. Even now I find it is a bit unstable. I hope you can hear me.
Yes.
And first of all, let me thank Mr. Mackey for giving a very comprehensive presentation. In very short, he has covered everything, which will make everything clear, at least to the new members, because those who are already in the BSG organization, they know about this SGF also. And in fact, that the other day, while forming this committee, I explained the purpose, the freedom, as Mr. Mackey has rightly pointed out, all these things, but he covered much more and in a more systematic manner in a very short and sweet presentation. Well, it is a great day for NF Railway, SGF, because for the first time our state council has been formed officially today, though our Katihar district was already working, and though I have been in the organization, as Mr. Mackey has mentioned, since last 1 year, but due to various reasons and due to some personal problems, my health, etc., also we could not form the state committee, and also recently because of the pandemic, as Thogesh ji has already explained. But anyway, it is a great day for us, and I hope it will be a great beginning, and it will create new vistas and a new chapter in NF Railway. As you may be aware, as far as Bharat Scouts and Guides are concerned, perhaps NF Railway is doing pretty well. We held Railway Jamboree also. In fact, when I met Mr. Mackey for the first time, he came here in 2016. After that, also National Integration Camp we have held. So we have selected or elected a team with a good balance of people at higher levels with good leadership qualities, and also people at grassroots level leadership also. They are also very good leaders, though they may be at a lower rung of the administration, but they are very good leaders. And as Mr. Mackey the other day rightly pointed out, and I firmly believe there is no ego. We are in a way all equal. We only are holding different responsibilities. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
My power has gone. Anyway, you can hear me. My power, there is a power cut here. Anyway, so I do not want to say anything more. Hopefully, we will be able to live up to the expectation of the National Committee in organizing NF Railway SGF and make it one of the best units in the entire SGF organization, not only in the Railway SGF. So I have full confidence in the team which we have selected. We have very veteran leaders also. The oldest one being Mr. Dr. Dada, who is from New Jalpaiguri. He is now at New Jalpaiguri. With this, I would like to end and thank everyone for giving us the opportunity. We will soon open all the districts also that we have already discussed. And now I would like to end with a request that at least a few senior members may also be allowed to speak in very brief. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Saikia. We look forward to the promise that you have made, that making NFR the best unit or the best state in the Indian SGF. Thank you so much, and we wish the team well. Can we request Mr. Hajang to say a few words, please?
Yeah,
Yes.
good afternoon, everyone. I am very happy to join SGF and glad to see the old friends. As Mr. Mackey already told, he knows me for the last few years. In fact, we had a meeting of SGF in Guwahati. I have forgotten the date. During this pandemic period, thanks to the Zoom platform for meeting, as Mr. Saikia already told, that the SGF unit in NF Railway, we have already opened and hope that it will be a active participant in SGF, and we will do our best to do the service and as per the promise of the SGF. Hope to meet you soon, physically, very soon after this pandemic period. I again thanks all of you for giving the opportunity to speak a few words in the meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Hajam. I'm sure Katihar is doing very well under your leadership as well. Thank you so much. And now before we hear Pandit H.P. Chaurasia, his video and his music, I would like to say a few words regarding the programs that we are having from the Indian SGF. We have a program of 1 hour every Sunday. I'm sure you all know, you have all seen, and I hope that more people will join from the NF Railway as well. Tomorrow we will be having a program from 11 o'clock. Please join us, and there will be, if some of you cannot join anymore because of the fullness of the Zoom, then please follow us on Facebook. There will be a live streaming of the program.
Can I just request, because there are two vice presidents who are new to the Scout and Guide, can they just address for half a minute if there is time? If there is, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, first, Mr. Kishore Babu, the CPO administration, he is one of the vice presidents. I request him to speak. On behalf of National Committee, I would request him.
Sure.
Please.
Good evening to everybody. It's my great pleasure to join this esteemed organization. I am working as Chief Personal Officer, NF Railway. Chandradik Saikiaji is our senior. It's a great privilege to join this wonderful organization which has been having great tradition of serving our nation. Indian Railways and NF Railway, we are extremely grateful to this organization for allowing us to be a state. And we promise on behalf of the state, we are ready to take the guidance of the Indian SGF and do the best so that we can serve the nation. Thank you very much.
Yes, and now Mr. Sasank Sharma, Diana Madam, you may not be knowing the names. Mr. Sasank Sharma, he is another vice president and new to the organization.
Thank you. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is indeed a moment of privilege for me to be a part of this prestigious Indian SGF program. Although I am new to the program, but being not a part of the Scout Guide movement, but I have been witness to many of the activities of Scout and Guide organization in Indian Railway as well as NF Railway, and I've been seeing and witnessing the inspiring and very active participation of Scout and Guides in almost all the railway activities, community services. So that gives me a fair idea about the SGF also. And today's presentation by Mr. Mehti, it has actually shown the kind of activities that I can look up to. It is indeed a moment of, it's quite inspiring for me to be a part of the organization which is spread across 81 countries. And interestingly, it is the 25th year. So entering the organization on the 25th anniversary itself is an interesting moment for me. and my seniors, Sakya sir and Kishore Babu sir are there. That is also a plus point for me. So I look forward to actively participate and try my best to contribute positively towards nation building through this organization. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, now the last one. We also have Mr. Pranav Jyoti Sharma, who is Deputy General Manager and Secretary to the General Manager. Pranav, briefly, please address.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much. It's a huge honor to be a part of this organization. I have, since the time that I have joined Railways, I have seen from close quarters what the kind of work that this organization has been doing. In every railway function and in reaching out to the people, this organization, the Scouts and Guides, have always set an example. And I really look forward, and I hope I should be able to contribute my part towards the great noble causes that the organization espouses and works for. I thank you all once again and really look for a very warm and very creative and meaningful association. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Over to you, Diana ma'am.
Thank you, Mrs. Saikia. Thank you so
Diana
much.
ma'am, just a moment.
Yes, sir.
Saikia sir, I really appreciate your gesture. Now I see you are working already with the NF Railway and all your presidents are on the toes. Thank you so much and congratulations. I have an announcement for the NF Railway Scout and Guide Fellowship. The meeting, what is going on, will be documented and a video version will be shared with Saikia Sab and Khagesh ji, so everybody can keep this with you, because this is now we are at the stage of a virtual world. No more photos, no more writing reports, nothing. A video of Zoom meeting will be shared with all of you. Please do see, enjoy, keep it as a document. Thank you.
Thank you, Mekti. Thank you.
We have just one more item in the program today. I request Mr. Devendra Kumar Sakre, who is the Secretary of the Indian Railway SGF, to kindly proceed with the vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. On behalf of Indian Railway SGF, first of all, grateful to Mr. Mickey sir. सर आपका प्रेसिडेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव, सर आपका पुराना सपना था बहुत दिन से था कि रेलवे आगे बढ़े और अच्छा स्टेट बने। इसी क्रम में आज एनएफ रेलवे आज आगे बढ़ा। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने इसको सीरियसली लिए और हमें लगातार प्रोत्साहित किया और रेलवे में एक नया आयाम आज स्थापित हुआ है। मैं इसके बाद धन्यवाद देता हूँ मैडम पिल्लई को, नेशनल ट्रेजरर, जिनके आशीर्वाद से रेलवे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, मैडम डायना इंटरनेशनल सेक्रेटरी, जिनके आशीर्वाद से ही रेलवे आगे चल रहा है। मैं इसी क्रम में सब धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा हमारे जो आज के एडवाइजर BK देव मिश्रा जी और होजांग जी, जो हमारे एडवाइजर है। इसके अलावा 2 और एडवाइजर है जिनके आज आने से गरिमामय समारोह आज हुआ है। मैं सबसे ज्यादा धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा सर सेकिया सर। लगातार हमारी बात हो रही थी, आप बड़े परेशान थे कैसा होगा क्या होगा, लेकिन आज वो दिन आ गया कि एनएफ रेलवे ने एक नया आयाम गढ़ा है। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं सर, आपने एक बेहतरीन टीम बनाया है और मैं समझता हूं कि हम एनएफ रेलवे बहुत ही अच्छा हम आगे चल पाएंगे। मैं आज धन्यवाद देता हूं सर हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट श्री पी किशोर बाबू जी, CPO एडमिन, और श्री शशांक शर्मा जी, CPO गजेटेड। आप दोनों हमारे बीच में रहे हैं सर, आपको 2 दिन हमने सुना। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं सर प्रणव जोशी शर्मा जी, DGM जी। आप तीनों के उपाध्यक्ष पद पे आने से हमारा SGF NF रेलवे का बहुत ही आगे बढ़ेगा। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं सभी मेंबर्स का जो आज हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं और जिनके सहयोग से, आशीर्वाद से ये NF रेलवे आगे बढ़ पाएगा। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं हमारे ग्रेट लीडर हमारे बीच उपस्थित है पगार जी, और करकदा को भी मैं देख रहा हूं। सर आप लोग के आशीर्वाद से निश्चित ही NF रेलवे बहुत आगे बढ़ेगा। आप लोग का सहयोग, आशीर्वाद, मार्गदर्शन हमें हमेशा मिलता रहे। मैं सभी धन्यवाद देता हूँ, जानने अनजाने में जिसका नाम छूट गया हो सभी को धन्यवाद। आज बेहतरीन दिन हमारे लिए NF रेलवे के लिए, रेलवे में एक नया आयाम स्थापित किया है। पुनः सेकिया जी आपको पुनः हार्दिक धन्यवाद। थैंक यू डायना।
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. We'll see you sometime soon. Good night.
Right, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks once again. From now it is officially NFR SGF. Thanks everybody from NFR SGF.
Thank you everyone.
All of you.
Datta, thank you.
Thank you very much, Dada. Best of luck.